Hi guys! So Valentine's Day is around the corner. So if you're looking for a makeup look to wear that day, whether you're hanging out with your significant other, your spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, or it's just you trying to look cute for yourself for that day just cause why the fuck not, then this is the look for you. If you're interested on how I created this, keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. I already washed my face and everything. I just need this. Okay, new setup actually, but on my bed. These are supposed to be higher. They fell again. I fixed them and then sekai. But they fell, but I mean it's perfect, it's fine. Then you can see all my lotion collection. So I finally have a ring light. Like an actual ring light where I can change things. So I finally bought one. So I'm happy about that. Alright. Gonna be using CeraVe moisturizer. This time I don't have a mirror because I'm on my bed. So that's the only thing I'm missing. But it's okay. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Hanging out with your boyfriend, your girlfriend? I don't know. I don't know what to ask. I freaking love this lotion, man. Leaves my freaking face soft as fuck. Like I could wash my face the night before and like do my, skincare routine or whatever, and I wake up the next day and my face is soft as hell. I'm gonna be using Smashbox. It is 11:01 and I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to film this video for a while, but I've been busy, so I couldn't. I'm gonna be using this one. look that I recreated or tried to recreate. You can wear this on Valentine's Day, or it doesn't have to be for Valentine's, it could be for any type of occasion, any type of thing. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other looks you'd like for me to recreate, just, comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you'd like. You don't have to. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, they'll be at the end of the video and in the description below if you want to follow. You don't have to as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day, or just your day, your regular day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!